sous-bois is often a characteristic, and I get a little bit of it in this Oregon Pinot Noir. You really get it in French Burgundy. It stands for underbrush or forest floor. It has a kind of cedary quality or forest floor quality that makes Pinot Noir so interesting, especially when it's got a little bit of age on it. But even when it's relatively young, if you want to sound like a wine badass, just say, I get some red fruits, but there's the sous-bois character to it. You will make the room kneel down to you in respect.